Hello traders, the title of the video is how to master Fibonacci extension like a pro, part 3. Have you watched part 1 and part 2? We highly recommend to traders to watch part 1 and part 2 so they may understand how to use the Fibonacci extensions like a pro. This is a part 3. Let's get started. In part 3, I will be talking about the third group of Fibonacci extension key levels. The third group of Fibonacci extension allow traders to understand the activity of the smart money. Right? If a financial instrument is overbought, has been going up for some time because the retailers, the crazy market participants are pushing the stock up or the financial instrument up or down for too long, and it becomes overbought in an uptrend and very, very oversold in a downtrend. The smart money very often will place orders to sell the overbought financial instrument at the third Fibonacci extension key levels. On the other hand, if the stock or the financial instrument is very, very oversold, and the smart money wants to buy or stop, or the smart money wants to stop the madness that is happening in the financial market, they will place orders to buy at the third Fibonacci extension key level. All right. So the third group of Fibonacci extension is composed of the 114%, 114, I use 114% Fibonacci extension level, the 214% Fibonacci extension level, and the 314% Fibonacci extension level. Among those three Fibonacci extension level, the 314 is more important than the 214 and also the 114. But the same thing is happening all the time. The financial instrument goes up from A to B, right? If it is overbought or very, very overbought, and the smart money dislike what is going on, and they want to stop the madness, so to speak, right? Or they hate what is going on, they will place orders at 114% to sell it. Sometimes you will see a bearish trading setup. Whenever you see, if your price goes up and you see a bearish trading setup at 114, try to give consideration to that bearish trading setup. Again, if you are in a downtrend and you see a bullish trading setup at 114, all right, give a consideration to that bullish trading setup in the downtrend at 114% Fibonacci extension level. Because you can see sometimes you see the price goes up like this to this point. Right? If it's overbought, they will just place orders here. They will lead at the place 114 to sell it, because if it's overbought, talking about not only about the value of the financial instrument, but the time the stock has been overbought for. So it has been overbought for too long. This is what we are talking about. If it has been overbought for too long, and the smart money want to stop it, all right, they will stop it at 114% level. So what I said to trader before when I was talking about the 314% level is that there will be purposely placed orders to sell or to buy at the 314% Fibonacci extension level. So you need to understand what is going on relating to the 114%, 214%, and 314% Fibonacci extension level, especially the 314% Fibonacci extension level. So what we have noticed that sometimes it's talk a trader who understand area wave, we say first wave up to the fifth wave, all right? And then as the fifth wave is underway, the price will push it, to the zone of 114 of the third wave, all right? Or if we have a flat correction, the B wave of the flat correction will extend to 114% level where orders are placed. All right. This is not a market manipulation. All right. The market manipulation will consist of placing orders and then canceling the orders and taking the other side of the trade. If you do that, the SEC will be chasing you. Okay. The Security Exchange, the commissioner will be chasing you. You don't want that. What we are doing is that you go into the mind of other market participants, the financial instrument talking about the book value and all other things that we take into consideration has been overboard. And not only is overboard, it has been overboard for too long. Now, somebody has to stop that madness, all right? And then there is more money. A big institution very often, not always, will try to sell it at 114 or 214 or 314% Fibonacci extension level, especially the 314% level. So the general rule, sometimes the financial instrument will go above the 114, see, or 214 will go above it, retest the 238. So here, this one example here. So you went above 114, 214, you retest the 238, right, and then coming down. So one of the strategies that traders do sometimes, which is a bit speculative, which means risky, is that as it goes above the 114, like this, people will place orders to sell at 114. It goes above it first, now they will place order here to sell it. Or it D below 114 in the downtrend, all right? You place order at 114 to buy it, all right? So here, like here, it goes above it. Sometimes I'm saying to you, it's speculative, it's risky, all right? Understand? Goes above it, you say, all right, you place order here to sell. So the order will be filled and probably come down very fast. Sometimes you will see a sharp correction, the price will turn around. See here, it didn't happen here, you see, it did not happen here. But look, after many few years, you see, that 214 that we were drawing here, still here, price came back, and you see the price will stop exactly at 214 or exactly at 114 or exactly at 314 and turn around without looking back. You see here, this is one example here. Okay. So after this move down, price came back. This is what we are talking about. First reaction, then they push it back. This is what we call the B wave sometime. First reaction, and then the government, they will sell it on the dot. Purposely sold here. To stop it here. And the price will not, it will stop exactly there. So if you are a day trader, you can draw those the third group, 114, 214, 314 on your chart, and look for bullish or bearish chart pattern around those key levels. The third group, 114, 214, 314. Here it is, stop exactly, they will sell exactly there, all right? And now we are here, 314, see? So you need to monitor that zone. Are they selling? You can combine that with the trading volume also. Very, very important point I want to add now. So you can see here, I draw it from the low here all the way to this top. Try to go into the mind of other traders. Another trader may select instead this top here instead of this one. If you're a Fibonacci trader, you need to go into the mind of other traders, always. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, so you understand what we are doing, we're going to change Fibonacci. What's going on? Okay, so we were using this point here before, now we change it now. So you see that we have a different 114. Where is it? Okay, somewhere. I need to do it again. So by selecting a different point, I'll put it to traders. I'll set it to default now, so we don't have to go through the same thing again. 214. Good. Sorry about that, traders. And we are here now. Set as a default. Where are they? Okay. So you see here, this is our new. Try to move line and I couldn't even do that. What's going on? Okay. So 114 is here. You see here. This is our new 114 by changing a bit the setting. You see, yeah, it stopped on the dot here. They showed it on the dot here. You see, 1 monthly chart. So 114, you see, on the dot, so it here. Right? So while it's a 214 is here, it breaks above and it tests a little bit. We couldn't see the 314. All right. So the strategy that you can use is that when you are placing it, you want to see the 214, the 314 also. So I will prefer the way the chart is now. Now that I change it, you can see that I can't see the 314. So for those reasons, I will prefer to use the first example that I've given you. I will keep it here. But the exercise of using different points is to try to see what other traders are looking at. So I will prefer the first one that we have selected here. So talking about how to master Fibonacci extension, like a pro part 3, we are talking about 114, the 214% and the 314% Fibonacci extension level. That belongs to the third group of Fibonacci extension. It's about purposely place orders to sell stock or financial instruments that have been overbought for too long or that have been oversold for too long. All right? Sometimes the price may go above the 114, going to 138 or 238 or 338.2% Fibonacci extension level. A trader will place orders at 114, 214, or 314 to sell in an uptrend or to buy in a downtrend. So you need to monitor the reaction of the price at 114. Sometimes the price will stop exactly there and turn around, and you will know that the smart money is controlling the price for a reason. All right? So it may go above it for the first time, but if they notice that the financial instruments should not even come near that level, if it come back to that zone again, below either 114 or 214, as it did here, you see, first time he went above it, they will sell it again until the fundamental will change. So they have done their fundamental analysis. They know what's going on with that company, and they dislike the fact that the stock is oversold for too long. So hedge fund, big financial institution will be monitoring that stock, and they will place orders specifically at 114, 214, or 314% level to sell. All right? Especially if the price is retesting the 114 or one of those Fibonacci key level for the second time, you want to monitor it carefully and see whether they are rejecting the price at that level or not. This is true in an uptrend and also in downtrend. So this will conclude our discussion today about how to master Fibonacci extension like a pro part 3. This will also conclude this series of videos about mastering Fibonacci extension like a pro part 1 to part 3. I hope you have learned something from this series of videos and will put into use to improve your Fibonacci extension trading. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, mark it down. If you think this is an essential tutorial that can help other Fibonacci traders, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel today. It is free. So anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to master Fibonacci extensions like a pro, a part 3. Happy trading to you all and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.